Okay, so now we will solve the next Leetcode SQL problem. Question number 1075, project employees 1. This is easy category problem. And if you want to give a try, so you can click on the SQL schema, just copy paste this and insert the data. So let's read the question. So you have two tables, one is project, one is employee. In the project table, you have the project ID and the employee ID, which is going to tell us which employee is working on which project. So basically each row of this table indicate that the employee with employee ID is working on project with project ID. And the another table, so this table is going to just to tell us, okay, this employee is working on project ID 1, project ID 2, etc. And this table is just going to tell us the details of the employee, like what is the employee ID, what is the name of the employee, and how much experience the particular employee has. We need to write an SQL query that report the average experience. So experience is this table, and we need to calculate the average. So basically you need to use some like avg function, average function, right? Average function of all the employees for each project, rounded to 2 digits. So we need to use the round function as well to, because when we calculate the average it could be 3 digit, 4 digit, but we will round to 2 digits, right? So what we need to calculate, we need to calculate, write an SQL query that the average experience years of all employees for each project, projected in this table, employee experience in this table. So can we do first one thing, because employee ID is common in this table, can we just populate experience in this, like basically by joining these two tables and populate the experience years, so that it will be easy for us. So let's do that. So this is my employee table, all right, and this is my project table. So now I'm going to just join these two tables. Select star from project P, and I need all the columns from P, right? Join employee table E, and from the employee table we need which column? We need experience years, because name is no longer required. Employee ID is like is just for the join, and employee ID already exists. On which column? On P dot employee ID, right? So P dot employee ID and E dot employee ID. So let me run that. So now I have a table where I have the project ID, employee ID, and the experience years, right? But in output, what I need? In output, I just need, let me see, the project ID and the average year. So I don't need the employee ID even, right? So in from the project table, I just need the project ID. Let me run that. So project ID and the experience years for the particular employee. Yeah, anyhow, I have not displayed the employee ID. Now I need to calculate the average of experience years. So I just will put the average of experience years, right? Average of experience years for all employees. Anyhow, like this is for all employees for each project. But one is here, one is here, one is here as well. So we need to calculate the average. We will do the group by. So group by P dot project ID, right? We will do the group by P dot project ID, and let's run that. So now we got the for like project ID one, the average experience of the employee is this. For project ID two, average experience of the employee is this. But we need to round to two digits. So we will use the round function and to 2 digits. Let's run that. All right. So we get, and in the output, the column name should be average years. So we will give some alias as average year. So let's run that. So now we have the output, and we will copy paste and try to execute it. Let's submit it. It is taking some time. Sometimes like it take time because maybe the lead code server is busy or whatever it is. But you could see like our all that eight test cases like has been passed. So this is literally like easy category problem. If you get confused, maybe you can create a CTE in first table when we have three tables, and then on that table you can do the group by operation. Basically, one like a query where you just perform the join, and another query where you will just perform the group by. Or if you want to simplify, then you can do it without CTE like we did that. So that's it. There, the end of the video, and thank you.